going on? This is Alex Higley, professional fighter and founder of NakMuayWear.com. Now you're probably here today because there's a fighter that you know, or maybe just a fighter that you want to support in their journey. So here at NakMuayWear.com, we create merchandise stores for professional and amateur fighters. We create these stores absolutely free for the fighters, and we help them by dealing with all of the merchandise production, shipping, getting their items directly to you. So find your fighter. You can go in the Fight Finder, search, find the fighter you're looking for, search through their merchandise store. They might have hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts. Find the item that you want, and every purchase is going to support that fighter so they can focus on what they need to be doing, which is their fight camp, training, and winning. You're making a difference by supporting them right here at NakMuayWear.com.